In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A03s by Boost Mobile. I always mention two different scenarios regarding hard resetting. The first one in which you have access to your phone due to any reason you want to hard reset your phone, like your phone is freezing, acting up, got virus in it, you want to hard reset your phone. The second scenario in which you have lock on the screen, the password, and you don't remember the code. So hard resetting in that scenario will be different. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys both ways of hard resetting. It's a short video. Stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do the hard resetting of Samsung Galaxy A03s by Boost Mobile in first scenario in which you have access to your phone and due to any reason you want to hard reset your phone. So before to go for hard resetting, if you have any important information in the phone like videos, pictures, or anything that you want to keep it safe, so transfer it to another device before to go for hard resetting, otherwise you will lose it. And the second thing, if you have Gmail signed in this phone, you should know the password of that, because after hard resetting your phone is going to ask you the password of that Gmail. If you don't remember, then you will enter yourself into another problem. If you don't know the password of the Gmail signed in the phone, it's better to remove that Gmail before to go for hard resetting. It's very simple. Go in the settings of the Gmail and just select the account and remove it. So now let's do the hard resetting in the first scenario. The phone should be powered off for hard resetting. Let's do that. Power button, power off, power off. Wait until your phone is completely off. Now it's off, and it's two key combination for hard resetting in which you need to press and hold the volume up and power key together until you see the recovery mode. S2, volume up and power key together. Press and hold until you see the recovery mode. Okay, now you can release both keys. Now use the volume down key to look for the option for wipe data or factory reset. Press power key one time and volume down for factory data reset. Press power key one more time and it's gonna do data wipe complete. Now it's asking you to restart the phone. Just press the power key one time. Okay, so hard resetting is complete, and your phone will go on the initial setup like you turn on the phone first time. Now let's do the hard resetting in the second scenario in which you forgot the password of the screen. So now you don't have access to your phone, so you cannot transfer your information to another device, and you should know the Gmail and password now, because after hard resetting your phone is going to ask. So hard resetting is in two steps in this case. So first one, you need to press and hold the volume down and power key together. Once you feel the vibration, you're gonna release the volume down. You're gonna hold the volume up while keep pressing the power key. So let's do that. Volume down and power key. Okay, once it's vibrate, you release the volume down. Now you can release the power key as well. Once you see the Samsung Galaxy return, you release the power key while keep pressing the volume up. Now it's gonna take us to recovery mode. So from here is the same step like we did in the first scenario. So volume down key, wipe data, factory reset, press power key, factory data reset, power key. Okay, data wipe complete. So now your phone gonna turn off and start from the initial setup like you turn on your phone first time. So you're gonna take little time and asking me for reboot the system. Now just press the power key. The hard resetting is completed. The phone is back on the main screen and the password on the screen has been removed. So that's all. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question, feel free to write down in the comment section. I would love to reply on that. And if this video was informative for you, then please subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself, and